Hi, Jimmy. Hi, Rebecca. Robert and from Robert and Paula in Fortuna, California. Two of your original West Coast fans. That's more like it. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know we got the CDs, one that we're going to keep and one that we're going to give away. And anyone listening, I need you to understand that Jimmy's talents are phenomenal. He sings from the heart. There's no mimicking about him. There's no following what everyone else is doing. He's creating his own music. And music is something that is great for the world, is great for the soul, great for the heart. And Jimmy sings from all of those. And so we were very fortunate that when Jimmy and Paula, Rebecca, sorry, when Jimmy and Rebecca were at the house, he sang this song to Paula and I. It's phenomenal. If you've never heard an artist singing to you and no one else, knowing that he's singing because that's his heart, you can tell it's real talent, and that's what Jimmy has. That was such a cool thing. That we are going to be a lifetime few who got to hear that talent directly, one-on-one, no microphones, no amps, no anything that flooded the room with joy other than the talented voice. So for everyone else listening, JamesVanDeuson.com, okay, you have to go. You have to support this young man in his quest, because he's talented beyond his age, beyond his years. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you again. Okay? Bye-bye.